In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can view notes as gallery on iPhone. This allows users to quickly scan through thumbnails of their notes, hence boosting productivity by reducing the time spent scrolling through lists and enhancing the overall user experience when managing a large number of notes. To enable gallery notes, simply head to your Notes app. On your Notes homepage, simply head to Notes. You will then tap onto this three dots right here. Select on this option of View as Gallery. Your notes will appear in gallery form. This is particularly useful for creative tasks or when dealing with multimedia-heavy content. That's how easy it is to view your notes in gallery form on iPhone. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.